also known as Thai-style grilled pork skewers, is a popular street food in Thailand. These skewers are made with thinly sliced pork shoulder, marinated in a savory sweet mixture that balances the saltiness of Thai fish sauce, soy sauce, and oyster sauce with the roasty sweetness of palm sugar. Garlic and white pepper provide plenty of bite, and an optional pinch of MSG powder, commonly used by Thai street food vendors, gives the marinade a savory boost. Here's how you can make Moo Ping at home. Ingredients: 1 pound, about 500 grams, pork shoulder, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons Thai fish sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons palm sugar or brown sugar. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 teaspoon white pepper, optional, pinch of MSG powder. Instructions: marinate the pork in a bowl. Mix together the Thai fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, palm sugar, minced garlic, white pepper, and MSG powder, if using. Add the thinly sliced pork to the marinade, making sure each piece is well coated. Let it marinate for a few hours or overnight in the refrigerator. Assemble the skewers. Thread the marinated pork slices onto skewers, 2 or 3 slices per skewer. Bunch them tightly together to prevent the skewer from burning during cooking. Leave a 2-inch handle at the bottom, and just the very tip at the top exposed. Grill the skewers. Preheat a grill or griddle pan until very hot. Grill the skewers for 1-2 minutes on each side, or until cooked through. Brush with unsweetened coconut cream while cooking to keep the meat moist, and create a sticky glaze on the surface. Serve the Moo Ping skewers with sticky rice, and a dipping sauce made from a mixture of fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and chopped Thai bird's eye chili.